Hey, beautiful people. This is Grace here, also known as Amazing Grace. I just wanted to do this little, I guess I would say a tutorial of, what it would look like once you have signed up to be a Doordash Dasher under my link. Just to give you, like a walkthrough of how you would navigate throughout the app. So, as you can see right now, but first you gotta have your location on this, that, and the other. I want to say this is what you would see after after you signed up for your account. You can see right now, like you'll see one of two things under this area right here. You would either see Dash now or schedule. If this area, if it was not busy right now, this area would just be all grayed out. Like say this down here in West Palm Beach. All right, if it wasn't busy in the area, it would be grayed out. But since this, as of right now, here in Fort Pierce / Vero Beach area, it is currently busy and they're offering peak pay. Peak pay is when they offer extra money or extra funds for you to get paid a little bit more on your dash. This peak pay is going to run until 12 o'clock in the morning. All right. So from 9 o'clock to 12 a.m., they're offering $1 extra for each delivery. That's what DoorDash is offering. All right. Which is kind of rare because I barely ever see that in the evening. But anywho, next up, this is how you would actually schedule yourself. So say for instance, it wasn't busy in the area, you wanted to make your own schedule. You can go through the schedule and go through and pick your days and pick a time to dash. So say for instance, I wanted to do it for 10 p.m. I would press create and then it would say thanks you signed up for this dash, but I'm going to delete it because I'm not actually going to go out and dash this evening. So before your dash starts, 30 minutes before, they'll send you a text message saying that hey, your dash is getting ready to start. And they also, you see that? That's 30 minutes before. And you can also, they send you a text message 30 minutes earlier. And you can also go in and delete your dash like I did just now. And you can also extend your dash if your dash is getting ready to end. You can extend it. And when your dash is about to end, they'll send you a text message and say, hey, your dash is about to end. Extend your dash because it's still busy. If it's still busy, if it's not busy in that area, they won't allow you to do anything except for sign up for a new dash. Another good thing is you can sign up. You can log into Dash or start dashing as soon as it says Dash Now on the screen. All right, so that's how you would schedule Dash. And more importantly here, they have ratings and such too. I'll go over that next. But let's go ahead and talk about earnings, okay? Since that's really what people really focus on when it comes to DoorDash. Like I said, I haven't been doing this. I started January. I want to go back to where I started. Well, actually, I started before January, but they're only recording from this year or what have you. Another awesome thing that I like to see that they also incorporated within DoorDash, the app, they've incorporated this graph to show you what you've made in the past weeks, this and the other. And they also will give you like a notification or like congratulations as to congratulating you on making more than you did the week prior. All right. So what you would do once you have set up your payment information for a direct deposit, it's a free transfer. Since you every Monday, so it's free to get paid, and it says 2 to 3 days to arrive in your account, but I always get paid on Monday. I never have a delay when it comes to paying. So sometimes you can also get paid with fast pay if you want to get paid the same day, and you can request to get your funds sent to you that same day. So I'm gonna blank this out. So not really my card number, obviously, but you can sign up for fast pay in order to help your earnings So fast pay would not be enabled for 7 days after your change of your debit card. I think they have you to wait a certain amount of days. I'm not sure if it's the same. I'm trying to remember. Only because I have just been getting paid whenever I feel like on Monday, so I really don't do fast pay. But when there is the opportunity to, you would submit it, and then they would charge you a fee in order to get paid. So go ahead and double check on what that fee is. So earnings, and let's see if that's in here. No, it's not there. It's mainly because, like I said, I really don't. Here you go. Payout schedule should be in here. Okay, so Dasher fast pay. So if you want to fast pay, it charges you $1.99 to get paid sooner than later. Any Dasher in an active fast pay market who has completed at least 25 deliveries. So you have to do at least 25 deliveries and dash for at least 2 weeks in order to qualify for that program. So I've exceeded that since I've been Dasher for a long time, and of course you have to have a debit card, activated card on. You can't use a prepaid on there. You can only use a regular credit or debit card. I can refer you all to mine if you don't really have a bank account. You can easily sign up for a Chime account, which is what I have as an online banking account. And if you don't have a regular bank account, I'll put my link in the description for that as well. All right, and let's go ahead and let's talk about. So I don't want to make this video too long, but just want to give you a brief synopsis. But that's basically how you get paid. Every Monday, like I said, and it's free direct deposit. But like I said, I get paid on the same day every time, which is on Monday evening. It's normally around 10 o'clock. And the way Chime works is, as soon as the company knows what you're getting paid or what those earnings are, they'll go ahead and process it the same day with Chime. So ratings is really good for you to kind of pay attention to, but in order to help you, is in order for DoorDash to help them determine who's a good dasher and who can actually be a good delivery driver for them. So I have not had any orders that have never arrived to a customer or based on the customer's report. Right now, based off 100 deliveries, my customer ratings are pretty high. I believe the highest probably 5. My acceptance rate is 93%, completion rate 95%, and I'm always like basically all the time. That's why all of this is green. So I've done a total of 227. Wow, 227 lifetime deliveries. It's not including canceled orders, and I've had quite a few of those. But I still got paid back from that delivery or what have you. Here's the thing I was talking about on the last video about your red card. DoorDash, they'll send you a card. A red card takes about 7 to 10 business days to get it, and what you would do is you would put that delight number in along with the last 4 digits of the card. And if you ever lose or misplace your red card, do not mark it as lost, because it will stop you from being allowed to receive deliveries, and you won't be able to get paid or make any money. Instead, you can go to the chat after you've done a delivery. Make sure you take a picture of that receipt if you pay, so you can pay for it with your own card. That way they can reimburse you once they request the receipt from you. They'll go ahead and process it the same exact time that you put it in, or you can email them as well, in which that is also in the that is also within an app or whatever. You can just follow those instructions and get that information sits in them. But that's pretty much that is pretty much all I have for you on this video. If you have any further questions or anything like that, please feel free to post them in the comment section below. Any other things that you want to know about being a DoorDash Dasher, just hit me up on social media or on Snapchat or anything like that. That's pretty much it. You all have a beautiful night. Bye.